E aí, galerinha, deixa um like, não vai custar nada. Participe da comunidade do Discord. Participe também do TikTok. E quem quiser também participar, a pessoa que estiver vendo pela Twitch. Meu canal principal é Ronaldo Carlos Cleves. Anotado, canal Ronaldo Carlos Clevesan Gameplay. Bom, galera, hoje nós vamos continuar as aventuras de GTA V aqui com o Michael Frank Clever. Hoje nós vamos continuar as aventuras aqui do modo história. Acho que hoje nós vamos invadir o FIB. Esse controle já veio com novo, não tá aqui conectado. Beleza, tô começando aqui. Tô chegando no Xbox, galera, quem estiver vendo. Vamos ver que missão não vai com o Michael. Deixa eu ver aqui. Ah, é, no último episódio da família do Michael T. Santa voltou. O Jimmy, o retrato. Amanda Trace. É óbvio que você nunca vai mudar mais. Quero que no meu eterno coração. Eu não vou ler tudo, não. Quem quiser ler, pausar o vídeo aí, galera. Eu vou tipo preguiçoso. John Lister. Faça isso. Que é um bom exemplo para as crianças. Um exemplo melhor, olhe. E eu acho de verdade que devemos retomar a casa de novo. Nada muito caro, só o que eles chamam de um tapinha. Acho que vai fortalecer muito o nosso relacionamento. Isso ou compramos uma casa na praia. Acho que o mar já calma bastante. Beijos, Amanda. Minha querida esposa, entendo o que você quer dizer. Continuarei dando meu melhor, mas nada de reformas ou casa na praia por enquanto. Primeiro, Na praia, por enquanto, primeiro vamos nos concentrar em tirar as crianças da casa e em conseguir um emprego. Ah, tem a missão com o Franklin aqui. Vamos lá fazer logo essa missão do engenheiro aqui, né? O arquiteto. Como chama ele? Esqueci o nome. Ah, tá.
Hey, Mike. It's Franklin, man. I'm following the architect.
All right. Don't fuck it up.
Beleza, não foge tudo. Siga o arquiteto e obtenha a planta. Ok.
Hey, stupid! You can't be on here without a hat!
Ok.
Thanks a lot.
O cara acha que eu sou um dos funcionários aqui da reforma.
Architect on site.
Legal.
Anything we need to be worried about? The only thing we're worried about is you changing the plans again. There's always scope for improvement. Always is.
Vamos pegar esse arquiteto.
Those idiots drilled the new caissons on the west side. You're kidding me. The bedrock ends there. We need caissons on
Vamos
the
isso
east side.
rasteiramente aqui, Frank.
No drama. It's a government contractor. They don't completion.
I ain't taking a fall for this.
Ah, não esqueça, galera. Se estiver gostando da gameplay, marquem, deixem um like e compartilhem. Beleza, agradeço desde já. Vamos lá. Vamos lá.
Oh, look, this is the great auntie.
Study 'em and study 'em hard.
I was gonna wipe my ass on him.
That's the engineer's plans. Mine you treat it like a religious text, remember?
Yeah, that's it.
Faça o arquiteto largar pronto.
What don't they see? It's in the plans.
Hey! Stop! Man, running from me is a bad idea.
Dá um soco na. Beleza, não chamei a atenção. Dá pra pegar a maleta tranquilo. Beleza, os operários estão lá, tinha um soco nele. Aí, deu certo, hein? Não chamei a atenção de ninguém, polícia, nada. Fazendo certinho a missão, sorrateiramente. Eles acham que eu sou um dos funcionários. Até perceber lá, eu vou cair fora. Oh! Vamos lá. Caralho, chamei a cabeça chamando a atenção da polícia. Não tem problema não. Vamos lá. Ai, que saco. Vamos lá, Frank. A moto da mulher aqui. Franklin.
Hey, you got him?
Of course I
E aí,
do,
pegou? Claro que sim, mano.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, all good?
Sure.
Tudo certo?
So is this shit
Certeza,
for
meu
real?
irmão.
We just gonna rob the FIB and be allowed
A
to
gente
walk
vai
away
roubar o
with
prédio
boys
do
like that?
IB mesmo?
Yeah, I don't fucking know.
Eu
Probably
não
not.
sei, o planejamento, né?
All right, Lester, what do you got?
I don't quite know yet. Give me a minute. I'm not a
Tá. Não
fucking
sou...
computer.
Pera.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, maybe I am. Here's what I think. We have two options.
Temos
The new
duas
security
opções.
software goes into
O
containment
novo software
mode
de
in case
segurança
of
entra no modo de
emergency,
contenção em caso.
earthquakes, mudslides,
Tipo, qual
acts of
golpe não vai
God.
escolher?
So we could plant some fire bombs. They go bang. The emergency call goes out.
O alerta
We
de segurança.
hijack it, show
A
up
gente
as
intercepta,
firemen,
aparece como
and then we
bombeiro.
grab the containment
Aí
drive.
pegando o hard,
Or
ou
we could hack the
nós
system on
podemos
site.
hackear o
We'll
sistema
go in
no
by,
local.
by
A gente
air. Hope we don't run into too much
espera que não
physical
tenha muita
resistance.
resistência física.
Sounds relaxing. Either bombing an office
Ou
ran by a
bombardeamos
division
um
of
escritório
corrupt
de uma
government
divisão,
psychos, or
ou
defeat one of the world's most
derrotamos um dos
complex
sistemas de
security
segurança mais
systems using
complexos
our
do mundo.
worthless ass ninja skills, huh?
Yeah. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Cara, vamos lá.
If you
os
favor
planos.
the firebomb containment drive option, you'll go
bomba,
in with that janitor's
E
ID you
você vai
picked
ter
up. It'll be at night when most of the workers
de
are off.
noite, quando a
You
maioria
mop
dos
the place
funcionários
and plant the bombs where we need them.
Seriously.
precisa
I got
mesmo
a
fazer a faxina.
Yeah, you really do.
Sim, é sério,
They'll
você
clock
precisa,
you on the
eles vão-
cameras if you're play acting.
You also need a fire truck to show
Eu
up in
também
when the
preciso de
bombs go
caminhão
off,
de
and a getaway car
bombeiro
stashed in a
apareça
quiet
com...
place near the bureau, so you can torch the truck and then get out. The car doesn't have to be anything special.
Tá, não
There
precisa
shouldn't be
ser
any
nada
heat.
demais, nem ser procurado pra...
Well, what about the other way?
E o outro jeito, com as habilidades
ninja
ninja.
skills.
Now you choose that route, you won't be
Você escolher
using
esse
the
caminho, não
janitor's
precisa
gear,
das
but we had to
coisas lá
cover all
também,
the
a gente
bases.
precisava
Your
cobrir
FIB
todas as
paymasters
possibilidades.
will have to provide you with a
Ué.
chopper and a pilot. Now you fly way
Do
up
outro,
above
você
the
vai
building,
sobre-
parachute
bem
in,
acima
and
do
gain
prédio.
access through the roof here.
Qual
Now
que
you'll
não vai
need to be
ter, hein?
armed to the teeth, mind you, just in case the shit goes down.
Mopping or parachuting? Wow, you're making this choice really
Cara, é.
difficult.
Haynes has given us the leftover money from the Polito job
acho
to
que eu vou
pull this
escolher a
mission,
opção
and the
como
crew will be
bombeiros,
paid out of
cara.
that.
Eu
We
sempre
keep the
escolho como
change.
bombeiros.
So, what's it gonna be? Of
Deixa eu ver.
course. You'll need a hacker, a gunman, and a driver. The hacker won't come in with you, but they'll help you break the system,
vai
talking you
invadir o
through the
sistema.
process from a remote location.
Não, hacker não. Vamos como bombeiros.
So you do want to mop. Okay. Well, you'll need a couple of gunmen. They'll go in with you as firemen. Everything goes to plan. They won't fire a single bullet, but you will be running into a
único tiro,
burning
mas você vai.
high-rise with them, so consider that.
Ah, tá. Qual a opção mesmo? Bombeiros.
Ah, my lucky charm from the jewelry store.
Gustavo Mota. Packie McReary, vamos de novo com ele.
Gus Mota. He's a pro. Not much else to say. This is a protected federal building. Are you absolutely sure this is how you want to take it?
They did good Evangelico, remember?
I don't know how long it'll take you to get into the network. The gunman's there to buy you the time you need. The driver will be waiting outside on getaway. They'll source a vehicle, so bear that in mind.
This girl, Taliana, she's supposed to be good, and she'll work for way less than she's worth, if you believe that.
E agora, cara? Italiana, eu queria incluir ela. Deixa eu ver se essa dos bombeiros também combina. Não lembro.
Hey, Michael, you're up.
Pera aí, ô Frank.
Fala, galera.
I guess he's really thinking about this one.
Não, eu quero ir como uns bombeiros. Já coloquei a thumb meia. Não, pega uma career. Vamos nessa dos bombeiros.
And we have a winner. I'll make the arrangements and call you when we're ready.
All right, shit. Hit.
Alright.
You know, I'm still looking into that union depository.
Naquela lance União
It's real
Depositor.
interesting. But I don't know if we can do it without you-know-who.
Well,
Ok,
as long
driver.
as he can't do it without us.
Okay.
Fugas rápidas.
I'll call you when I've got the information.
Acho que já tá tudo quase pronto, né? Escolhi a opção dos bombeiros. Gustavo Mota, Packie McReary.
It'll take me some time to research this stuff. Don't hang around.
Hey, Sugar Plum.
Daddy,
Oh,
I'm in
Tracy.
trouble.
What is it? Money? Drugs? Your mother.
There's this guy. He's been following me around. I think he's about to do something.
Anda me seguindo.
Where are you?
Vinewood Plaza.
Okay, wait
Vou
there.
ajudar a
He's been
Tracy.
following me in my car, so let's just drive around and you can talk to him when he shows.
Oh, yeah. We'll talk.
Mais uma missão. Quarta-feira à noite. Vamos ajudar a Tracy. Pai Coruja. O nome da missão. Vamos lá resgatar a Tracy, galera. Vamos lá.
Daddy, get in. We're going.
A Tracy aí.
Let's see if we can find him.
I last saw him around the corner. Hawaiian snow. Oh my god. We're looking for a guy in a purple convertible. I don't remember what make.
Okay, I'll keep an eye out.
Thanks, Daddy.
Ok.
Hey, what are dads for, huh? I mean, other than giving you money, putting a roof over your head, speaking to guys who ridicule you on TV. Is he here?
Ele tá aqui.
No, he's not around. We should try that motel opposite the big construction site.
A Tracy precisa de ajuda, né?
Where'd you meet this guy?
At a signing?
What are you signing? A pot petition? You better not be taking out credit like your brother.
Not credit.
You see him?
I don't think so.
Acho que
Maybe
não,
we should
talvez
look over
seja
at
melhor.
Clock and Bell. Rockford Plaza.
Rockford Plaza.
I was signing autographs at the expo.
People want to meet you after that video on Fame or Shame?
Yeah, videos.
Ah, well, now you just gotta find a way to make money out of it. We found this prick?
Not yet. Okay, I'll
Ainda
have
não.
it going around the corner and back up the hill past Crocahoo.
Vamos lá, Tracy, onde que tá ele?
My baby girl's a celebrity with her very own stalker.
Ah, ela
You
participou do
finally
drama
made it,
de
Dad.
drama, né?
You raise your kids in Rockford Hills.
What was I thinking? You know, it's amazing you've turned out this good.
You're a real...
Okay, you around here?
Ah! Purple car, that's him! Fuck, he's on you! Let's go! You're a dick.
Hey, what are you running for, pal? Let's talk!
Oh my god, you killed him!
Matei
you
ele.
killed him! You just killed him!
Já resolvi o problema. Olha esse problema de fã. Tá pra resolver da Trace. Nossa.
Drive carefully!
Vai vir atrás de mim, pô.
We have a visual. Moving to engage.
Vou com minha filha, deixa em paz. Pronto, agora sim.
No visual at this time.
Esperar a polícia passar.
We've dealt with that crazy. You don't have to drive like a maniac.
I'm a little keyed up, okay? I need to wind down.
Maybe speeding and hitting people and swerving all over the place, whoa! Isn't the best way to relax. Just saying. Hashtag.
Maybe it's the quickest way to get somewhere where I can relax.
Where? The grave? Death row?
I know
okay.
what I'm doing, baby. Just calm down.
I think you're the one who needs to
Stop
calm
on the
down,
mic.
you maniac. No wonder I need medicating. I can't believe you did that.
What? We had to be sure.
I just wanted you to speak to him.
This was infinitely more
Pode
persuasive.
crescer, Trace.
I never should have called you.
Look, there's a lot of sickos out there. I couldn't take the chance.
I know there are sickos out there. My dad is one of them.
Now grow up, baby. It's time you got serious with your life. Yeah, I ain't perfect, but I love you.
I guess. He really scared me, but I didn't want...
Não
Then
queria,
pretend
né?
it never happened. Like I try not to think about exactly what aspect of your creative expression enamored him so much.
Okay,
So much.
that's
Ok.
right.
Ligação meio que
Kinda works
funciona
for
pra
me.
mim. Aham.
Good. That's my girl. Now, please, try to make better choices.
You know. You're way too high strung for this now.
I don't want to be a bitch, but my car is kind of trashed, Pop.
Insurance will take care of it. You're on my plan, and you know how I drive.
They shouldn't let old people drive cars.
É o carro da
Is everything okay with you? Like, no one's about to kill you, are they?
No one wants to kill me.
What about...
All right. Some people want to kill me. but they're not gonna.
Eu não vou conseguir.
Hey, you think I'm gonna cash out just when one of my kids is starting to do so well?
I find your sarcasm really supportive.
I'm sorry. Just stop doing stupid things. Please.
That's funny coming from you.
Do what I say, not what I do. We've been over this 100 times.
Ok.
Damn it! What now?
So, that Laszlo guy been in touch?
Yeah. He wanted to say, thanks for the makeover.
Tell him don't mention it. So, is he gonna put you on the show?
Então ele
Yeah,
vai
I think
voltar.
so.
Sim, eu acho que sim.
Listen, I'm glad this is happening for you, but you still gotta go to college.
Sure. College, of course. Right after I'm on Fame or Shame and get an agent and all the other stuff.
No creepy stalkers in this joint, honey.
Just creepy brothers, killers, drug dealers.
Ok, ok.
Thanks,
Peguei o
Daddy.
trade pra casa.
Bye.
I'm glad I could use my paternal rage productively for once. Oh, family! I'm home!
A família tá de volta.
Ugh, kills a disgusting weed. Should be left on the ground. If I don't live to 200, I'm gonna sue these juicer fucks.
Oh, God!
Am I meant to find a job? Or is a job meant to find me?
Precisamos de um caminhão de bombeiros. Vamos.
Hey, it's Lester. I don't listen to my messages, but I probably listen to yours. Do with that as you will.
Vamos fazer uma das missões contra o Trevor. Vamos ver o que o Trevor tá aprontando.
Don't touch the titties!
Oh, yeah. No, that ass is hypnotizing, girl.
Trevor, feel it.
the sunlight.
Damn, baby. How much does the play walk out of my head?
Vamos ver essa missão aqui. O que é essa missão com o Trevor? O meu porta, seu maldito.
Jeez, you look like you've been in the wars.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require? Thank you. Police officers are en route to your current location.
They offered me a job in corporate, and I said no. This is where I belong. There we are, all yours. Come back soon.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require? Thank you. Police officers are en route to your current location.
Vamos pra casa no Marco pra ver como que tá lá com o Trevor. Isso,
I'll kill you! Get in there! Reloading! Fucker!
Legal, legal, legal.
He's around here somewhere.
You make me sick. You're a snake, Townley.
You know, it was a long time ago. You should really move on.
Oh, it's easy to move on when you move into a mansion.
You don't want a mansion, T. Come on. You want an excuse to do whatever the fuck you want.
I see you again, I'll do whatever I want to your face.
Yeah, sure, bro. Take it easy.
Perdón.
Oh, it's you, Uncle T. Hey. What the fuck?
Oh my Christ!
Citizens report 925 on, West Eclipse Boulevard.
Start, you turd!
Suspect westbound on West Eclipse Boulevard. Rockford Hill.
You know, I should really be naked for this.
galera. Ah não, vou fazer de novo, cara. Apertei errado aqui. Vamos lá, vamos lá. Vamos ver onde o Franklin está.
Yeah, you should come by. Yeah, all right, call me later.
Tá fazendo esquema da invasão do FBI. O que é pra roubar um caminhão do corpo de bombeiros, né? Quem que rouba? O Michael? Vamos fazer essa missão com o Dom. Ah, o Lester tá mandando agora. Vamos lá, fazer essa missão com o Dom. Vamos lá. Pronto. Tá que pariu, essa parte.
Hi, Mr. Clinton. A call just came in from a guy saying he's got a couple of stops and he'll pay extra if we send the best we got. All of the drivers we have right now are kind of green. Are you available to do the job?
Ah, cerveja de taco.
Yeah, I can deal with that one for you.
His plane just landed. Says he'll be waiting for you outside the main terminal at Los Santos Airport.
Do lado de umas paradas, é aqui perto. Serviço de administração de propriedade.
Yes, pull in here, please.
So where to?
Yeah, can you take me downtown? Little Gems Jewelry.
Olha ali todo mundo. Ah, um empresário, tô pegando.
Look at all those people. Scraping an existence, living by someone else's rules.
Which people?
Driver, let me ask you something. Do you believe that fate is just an opportunity you haven't seized yet?
Say what?
Do you believe that every road leads to more than one place?
Hey, man, you want to take a different route or something?
No. Jesus, pseudo-spirituals have always used to work on the young guys. What I'm asking you for is one extraordinary hour out of your ordinary life, and I'll make you rich.
I still had no idea what you're talking about.
I'm gonna rob that jewelry store, and I want you to be my getaway driver.
Are you for real?
Do I look like a man who tells jokes?
Ah, ele vai roubar a joalheria.
Sounds kind of shady to me, dog. I don't even know you.
That's why it's perfect. No ties. We handle our business, we go our separate ways.
And you got all the angles covered, right? You done the planning board and mapped it all out.
Planning board? Okay, you've been watching too many gangster movies, my friend. Look, you don't have to worry. I'm a professional. I do my research, different cities, different targets. You keep switching it up.
Isso aqui que é o legal de GTA assim, galera. Novas missões aleatórias de administração de
You
propriedade.
stay smart, you stay free.
Man, I don't know, man.
I'll be in and out of there in under 60 seconds, clean and quiet. You wait outside, drive me back to the airport, and that's it. Easiest money you'll ever make.
Alright, shit, whatever, man. Why the hell not?
Good, you won't regret this.
Ah, vai invadir a joalheria, beleza.
Okay, this is the store right up here on this block. Park in front of that alleyway. Okay, wait here. I'll be back in a minute. Keep the engine running.
Ele entrou na... Nossa, entrou mesmo. Legal, hein, essa missão. Aí sim.
Shit! Go, go, go! We're about to have cops all over us. Come on, let's go, let's go! Get rid of him!
Tomar no cu esse trem passar junto.
Come on! If they catch us, we're gonna do some serious time here. Can't you go any faster? They're right on us! Holy shit! You left them for dust, man. Did I call the right car company?
Shit, man, it was my ass on the line, too.
All right, drop me back at the airport and you'll get your cut as promised.
Ladrão de joalheria.
Well, I still got it.
Man, I was the one that got us out of that mess.
What can I say? People excel under great leadership.
Man, are you for real? So much for clean and quiet. What the hell happened with the alarm?
Hey, look, there's not much I can do about an alarm. Virtually everyone has them now. But I wasn't expecting the security guard. That came out of left field. At least I had the mask on.
What mask?
Oh, shit. I knew I'd forgotten something.
And what was that explosion?
Oh, that? Yeah, that was a total mistake. Dropped a grenade on my way out.
Oh, man, I'm an idiot.
Well, since when were you the expert on robbing jewelry stores? We did it, that's all that matters, and in a few hours, I'm gonna be back in Liberty City sipping champagne. One last job. I know I still had it in me. I've been out of the game for 6 years.
Man, not another one. I should have known. And don't tell me, you're rich, miserable, and your wife and kids hate you, right?
Oh yeah, they want nothing to do with me. That's why I needed to put this together. Settle some outstanding alimony payments, and then back to enjoying my retirement. Moving around from place to place, looking over my shoulder the whole time, unable to form any meaningful relationships, too scared to spend the money in case it attracts attention. Living the dream. Mystery man, sitting alone at the end of the bar with the well-cut... Pull it together! You're falling apart! Los Santos Airport. I'm almost home free. So this is it. You're a talented wheelman. You should build on that. You've got potential.
Yeah, look, man, stay out of trouble, all right, Derek?
And maybe I'll see you again on this side or the other. Maybe not. Ciao.
Wow, 10.000. Vamos fazer a missão do Dom aqui, cara.
Money shot time. Hey, there he is! Mr. Conservative.
Senhor Conservador.
Man,
what the fuck are we doing here?
Nothing. Okay, a little something that's gonna help me get some tail from those Midwestern ladies that I get to meet online. Let's pretend for a second that you're not so much of a pussy, and vamos, as my cleaning lady would say. Just to be clear, I'm not racist. I meant that ironically. I have a black friend, and I didn't even really notice that you were black, or whatever your people call it.
Get the fuck out of here.
All right, let's go.
Let's roll!
Let's roll where?
Catch you on the flip side, buddy! Yo, you see that? Half the airport's on the Dominator's payroll today. Better bond fast with that beauty, cause you two are going tandem.
I didn't bring my idiot translator. What the fuck are you talking about?
You're driving that hunk of metal and gasoline out of a cargo plane!
I'm doing fucking what?
Come on! Crank it, we got a plane to catch!
Whoa!
Yeah! We got liftoff! As soon as we hit a suitably stupid altitude, we'll kamikaze this shit into next week. Am I right? Come on, high five!
Hell no, man. Shit, I don't want you to be the last person I touch.
Yeah, okay, air 5 then. Parachute? Check. ATV? Check. Big pair of balls? Check. Okay, this is happening.
Come on! Let's fucking do this! Mangle these bad boys! Yeah! Come on! Oh! Let's do some barrel rolls, man!
Oh, shit!
This is not the biggest hard-on ever! Woo! Ride that Bronco, baby! Manta Ray power roll! Half pike with leaping frog!
Hey, man, I had to ditch the fucking fight. That shit was way too intense.
Oh, come on! That's female, dude! Boobies!
Yeah, I can see you being a real hit with the ladies, homie.
Dude, you have no idea. You should see me online, like flies on a turd, bro.
Man, you said it, not me.
Puta que pariu.
You feel that? Lightning bolt. Zap! You're alive! You know how it feels.
Man, I know how it feels to ride an ATV out of a damn airplane. Man, how much that shit cost you per second?
It's relative, bro. How long did it take me to earn the bills? Listen, you go out walking amongst the drones. I'll be on top of the maze bank building with the higher beings. Dominator out.
Dominador fazendo. Tô com a roupa de paraquedista aqui. Tem nenhum dos MC Lost aqui. Onde que eu vou conseguir um carro de fuga? Deixa eu ver. Nossa, já vou estar cagando.
We're gonna have to tie a bell to you, Frank. Don't we gotta be handling that thing? I mean, can this wait until then?
Okay, no problem, dog. See you soon.
What is wrong with you?
Well. Ah, cuzão.
This don't make no fucking sense.
Guardar uma áudio aqui. Voltar para Los Santos.
You've reached the Dominator. Call back when I'm not making history.
Esse carro tá pra ser o piloto, tipo.
Oh shit! Oh! Fuck you, cabroncito!
What the fuck?
A gente veio pode ser usado. Dá pra escondê-lo aqui, né? Esconderam aqui nessa fazenda aí. Nunca testei esse local.
Lester, I got us that getaway car for when we come out the bureau.
All right, give me the location.
Grand Sonora Desert.
Okay, good. There's still some more to do, right? Call me when that's taken care of.
Legal, legal. Vamos voltar com o Trevor. Vou fazer aquela missão dos patrulheiros lá, galera. Deixa eu ver.
jackass! Getting robbed!
Hellfire! Fuck not! Make you scream.
Olha que desgraçado, quase matei.
You want to end up in the trunk of this thing? It's going to a good home.
Acho que o Trevor tá curtindo. Da hora. Vamos encontrar os patrulheiros civis lá. Vamos lá.
That was close.
This is Larry Loverboy. How do you read me, neighbor?
Hey, dude, just buy something and leave, okay? Good purchase. Smart. Let me know if you need any help.
A voz do Ron na rádio.
Those are pretty popular.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require? Thank you. Police officers are en route to your current location.
Die! Inbred dickwad! Give me some cover! Son of a bitch!
Isso aqui que é legal.
Nowhere to go. Fuck off! Asshole! Cover me! What a waste of time. More rum. You've got some nerve coming around here.
Palito Bay.
What's up, bro? How's it going? What in the world? You messing with a tough Ray.
Vamos ver o cowboy lá, que coisa, né?
I thought they deported you.
Why do you...
Achei que tinha deportado. O que te importa?
Except that they paid me some money.
O Bruce do patrulheiro.
What a proud patriot you are.
Que grande patriota que você é.
When are they kicking you out?
Quando é que eles vão te dar um...
Out, stupid man.
Me dá pela puta, seu idiota.
My
Por que
family
não?
has been here 200 years.
Já faz 200 anos minha família está aqui.
Not that it's anything to boast about.
Well, I'm sorry.
Bem, me desculpe.
Well, at least you got paid.
Bem, pelo menos você foi pago. Certo, mas não faço... Qualquer um cometer um engano. Ah.
Perhaps now you want to kill me.
Você quer me matar agora? É, talvez eu queira, velhote. Talvez não. A patrulha da fronteira civil são todos iguais. Um idiota tentando proteger algo que nem estava. Eles não são meus amigos. Mas eu passo muito em ponto. Isso é um dos meus passatempos divertidos.
Man,
fuck you!
Fuck you!
You don't scare me.
Você não me assusta.
You owe my family a
Você
great
deve
debt.
muito à minha família. What? O quê? Minhas terras não são mais seguras.
It's not my fault.
Isso não é por minha culpa.
You're so concerned.
Se você está tão preocupado assim, então resolva isso pra mim. Você que sabe.
No.
Ou não.
Not give you one.
Eu não lhe pagarei um centavo. Ah, o Trevor sente senso de justiça agora.
Last I heard, your Civil Border Patrol friends were bullying some people east of here at the Sancudo farm. Go left on Ocean Highway, you'll see them. Go away, you crazy man. I've said all I need to say. You know what you have to do. Listen, there's somebody else you can go and oppress. You can still make this right.
Tá, eu vou consertar isso.
I should never have got involved with those nut jobs.
É, Trevor, nunca teve se envolvido com eles. Do Joe e Joseph. O Bruce do patrulheiro. Ele sente que foi enganado também.
Time to do your bit for humanity, Trevor. Hey, Joseph! Why don't you try that on me? Removed from the gene pool. Oh, you just made this real easy for me.
Já era, ó. Corajoso.
You want the Second Amendment? I'll give it to you. Civil Border Patrol disbanded.
Ah, a patrulha da Floresta Civil já é.
Shit! Cops! You only have yourself to blame.
Onde do trem do caramba. Vamos voltar pro Michael agora que eliminamos mais essa etapa.
Hey, listen, babe, that was
Amanda.
great. I gotta run now, okay?
All right, bye, babe.
So long.
Oh, God! Shove it up your ass! Shit!
I know what you're compensating for.
Shit.
Daddy's back, bitches!
Vamos tomar um suco de brócolis. Fazer aquela missão do Solomon Richard.
You at the club, right?
Vamos nessa loja de armas.
Just in time, friend. World's about to go to shit. You need a receipt for taxes?
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require? Thank you. Police officers are en route to your current location.
Nossa.
You crackhead! I gotta reload!
Me acertou ainda, desgraçado.
Shit!
O filme Midtown tá sendo produzido.
Hello, hello.
Opa, David
Good to
West.
see you, Slick.
Problemas legais.
The hell are you doing here?
Molly.
It's over, Michael.
You done good,
Acabou,
kid. You
Michael.
kept this bullshit up long enough to help me trigger a fantastic insurance payout when the plug is
Benefício
pulled.
fantástico.
I love you. You're like my
I love you, eu
spirit
te amo.
brother now.
Agora você é tipo meu irmão de espírito.
Where's Solomon?
Namaste.
He's out getting the
Cadê o
negatives of
Solomon?
film, whatever the fuck it is. The last
Seja lá.
dinosaur in town is about to get fossilized.
Ele é filho
What
de
are you
Solomon,
talking
né? Teve
about?
West.
Look, the movie's nearly done, so if the plug's pulled now, the investors, meaning us, get a massive insurance payout. Meanwhile, I can use that to get the other major shareholder, the old bastard's idiot son, to agree to tear this relic down and let me redevelop the area for condos. And in this economy, the city's gonna let me build tax-free. I might even get some rebates. It is a brilliant thing, and it is all thanks to you and Molly's eye for the details of the insurance policy.
Michael, they're fucking us! The suits! And they don't even wear suits! Wolves in turds' clothing!
Try not to take it too badly,
Oh,
Mr.
no.
Richards.
Were you ever a human being?
Look, people used to like films, now they like what? Videoing themselves, beating off on their
Videoing
iPhone
nós,
phones. Don't blame me. I'm a very spiritual person. I feel badly about this. But evolution is evolution.
Mas
Gentlemen,
revolução é evolução.
Molly.
Senhores, Molly,
Namaste.
pega
Can I
o
take
fio
the
lá,
film now,
bastante.
Mr. Richards? My plane leaves in 25
Meu avião
minutes.
até agora em
Can't we
25
do
minutos.
something?
Não
At
podemos
least
fazer
let me
nada.
finish the picture.
Pelo menos
Then
me deixe
close the
terminar o
place
filme.
down.
Daí,
I'm afraid our timetable doesn't
se não
allow
mas
for
o
that.
nosso
Goodbye, Mr.
cronograma não
Richards.
possibilita isso. Até o Sr. Richard.
Where the hell is she going with that movie?
Aonde ela vai
She
com
is
aquele
taking
filme?
the only copy
Ela
offshore,
vai na única
somewhere
Copa
nice
fora
and
do país.
discreet.
Pra
And
um lugar
God,
agradável.
it's certainly got its complications.
Michael,
Jesus,
can
sim.
you do something?
Michael, você
No, he
pode fazer
can't
alguma
do
coisa?
anything,
Não, ele não
pal.
pode
It's
fazer
an
nada, parceiro.
inevitability.
Isso é inevitável. Não, mas
My wife got screwed by a yogi.
o Yogi tava
And now
fudendo
I'm
minha
getting
mulher.
screwed by a
E
yogi?
agora o Yogi tá fudendo
Fuck
comigo.
that. I'm a
Que se
producer.
foda!
Nobody fucks
Sou um
my
produtor, ninguém pode com o meu filme. Molly, ó.
Okay. The airport.
Vamos lá, Molly.
Slow it down, Slick. You're not thinking.
Hey, I'm a producer. I'm producing the goods.
Don't do this, Slick. Think. She's got a police escort. She's on the way to my personal hangar. Security at the airport work for me.
I just want to get the film back before she does anything rash with it.
Molly's highly strung. She's not gonna stop and talk it out with a deranged killer chasing after her.
That ain't who I am. Today, look, I don't want to hurt anyone. I just want to get my movie.
Slow down and use your brain. Fun time is over.
What's she up to?
Michelle, please calm down. We're here to escort you to the hangar.
Nossa, a Molly enlouqueceu de vez. Enlouqueceu de vez.
Pull it over already.
Michelle, stop the car.
He wants to kill me! He wants to kill me!
Clear the hangar.
He's a psychopath!
Hey, come on!
I'm just a white-collar criminal, but he's a real one! Out of my way!
Para meu filme.
Oh, stop! Look out!
Molly!
Trespassing! That's the most you got!
Acertei contra meia. Escapei por pouco.
You once, Tony, but there's nothing between us. Now that I know you prefer dictation.
Really? We're doing this now? I just watched Devin Weston's legal counsel get juiced in a jet engine.
Oh, that Molly woman? Oh, Lord, that's horrible.
Deus que horrível.
You have no idea. She panicked, went crazy, and ran into it. But I saved the print, so we still got our movie.
You believe that analog thing? It's all digital. We have backups everywhere. I mean, we're shooting on green screen.
Well, you could have told me.
I'm sorry. Look, I thought you knew. The edit's nearly done, and we've got to get it out before they can screw us again. I've greenlit a premiere. That will stop them from burying us.
A premiere? For Meltdown?
A execução da abertura, o colapso, aí sim.
They can finally have something to be proud of me for.
Of course! It's already on its way by courier.
All right. Shit. I'll get ready. It was an American Divorce, by the way. The movie quote. Obviously.
Oh, adeus, avião. Arrumar um caminhão de bombeiro, eu acho que o Frank vai cuidar disso. Ah, polícia de novo. Vamos aqui. Vamos ver o que o driver tá apontando.
We are Scooter Brothers! Scooter Brothers! Scooter Brothers!
You piece of shit!
Come on, my dear! Walking spot!
Damn it!
Vamos ver aqui a missão Mary Ann. Precisa arrumar um caminhão de bombeiro.
I need to borrow your car, lady.
You fuckwad!
Prick!
Ah, achei um jeito de arrumar um caminhão de bombeiro. Ah, lembrei agora. Ligar pra eles.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require? Thank you. The fire department are en route to your location.
Se bem que aqui tem um corpo de bombeiros perto. Onde que é o corpo de bombeiro Los Santos? Ai, cara, onde que eu vou? Vou ter que roubar um caminhão ligando pra eles. Ai, ai, onde que é a localização? Uhum. Eu acho que tá aqui o corpo de bombeiros, igual eu vi aqui.
Oh shit, sorry. Well, you don't see me driving?
Vai logo! Adeus, otários. Esperar a polícia passar. Eu sou besta.
Shit!
Onde que é o corpo do bombeiro aqui? Ah, aqui o corpo de bombeiros. Olha eles aqui. E aí, rapaziada?
Idiota! What a douchebag!
What text? The one where I sent you a pic of my big titties like you asked me to.
Valeu, rapaziada. Obrigado pelo caminhão.
I'm putting these boots right up your ass!
Sai daí, frente! O corpo de bombeiros está passando. De novo essa polícia chata.
Oh shit! Sorry!
O corpo de bombeiros está passando. Que da hora.
Hey, you hit me! Watch the fuck out, will ya?
Qual é a emergência?
Hey, Lester. We got a fire truck. It's parked around the back of your place.
Then I guess we can't put it off any longer. I'll get word out to the guys. Come out to my office and speak to me.
Vamos ver com o Frank.
Oh man, what have I gotten myself into?
Nossa, o Frank tá com essa roupa ainda. Vamos fazer logo o golpe do FBI com um corpo de bombeiros.
Oh, you trying to roll on me, fool? bitch-ass punk. Hey, fuck you.
Tá escurecendo já. Vamos lá, galera, calma aí.
You about to get put in the motherfucking ground now. Wake up, Chopper.
Ei, ei. Vamos dormir pra fazer o golpe lá do FBI. Aí dá uma descansada. Quatro e 2 da manhã. 4 e 5.
How was it? Like a total cure for eating disorders.
Before declaring yourself cured, can we just wait and make sure that you don't purge in the bathroom?
Agora a família do Marco fica assim, né? Vamos ligar pro táxi.
Hello. Yeah, can you send out a cab to me?
I'm sending one out right now.
Great.
I was thinking about you, too. Want to know what I'm wearing now? Oops! Excuse me.
Oh my god!
Excuse me.
Fucking hell.
Não, não era isso que eu queria.
Christ.
Vamos lá de cá, vai. Passação.
What? I can't fucking believe this.
Vamos lá na fábrica. Olha aquela banda dos Veloz.
Enough of your bullshit!
E Lost, hein? Já para aqui mesmo. Uhul, vamos fazer esse golpe. Mas todo furado de bala.
How you doing? Ah, pretty good under the circumstances. About to knock off a federal government building. Oh, meanwhile, my psychotic former BFF is trying to figure out a way to kill me.
Tá pensando em um jeito de tentar mais uns remédios, então.
Well, exactly.
A invasão do FBI.
Franklin got us what we need. Put those on.
A roupa de faxineiro.
Then head in there and rig up a slightly more sophisticated fire
Uma armadilha incendiária. Ah, vamos pôr a fogo, cara.
I'm guessing drapes and scented candle aren't going to do the trick, huh?
No. You'll have incendiaries
no.
remote device. Now they need to be strategically placed so we can ensure that we still have access to the server.
Legal, invasão do FBI.
The structure maintains its integrity. Now once you get out, trigger the bombs, meet up with Franklin and the crew, and we'll intercept the emergency call.
Tariana.
You all go in as firemen. Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Sounds a little idiotic.
Well, under the circumstances, it was the best I could do.
Melhor que eu pude
And if you
conceber.
remember, you were the one who chose to do it like this.
Oh, come on.
But, you know, Trevor has a point about you. You whine too much.
Yeah, fuck you.
Oh, don't even try it.
Fuck you.
It's too late for second thoughts, old friend. I said goodbye. This is awkward.
Aham, vamos lá. Mike vai estar com o faxineiro.
Link up with Packie and Gus, get the fire truck, and be ready for my call.
All right. Them dudes is pros, so this should go kind of smooth, right?
Packie McReary, Gus. Beleza. FIB. O prédio onde o Chip Peterson trabalha.
If you're new, just clear your pass with security and you can go up.
Ah, o cartaz que nós pegamos no zelador lá.
Yeah, they keep changing the contractors.
Yeah, because guys like me keep losing their jobs and agreeing to do this for less.
All right, head up.
Ok. O Marco zelador é da hora, hein? Aham, esse trabalho.
Dirty.
Embador, vamos lá, vamos lá. É isso aí, isso aí. É o bomba G4.
It's carpet in here. Move along. Hey, you okay?
I wish someone would come and burn this place down. At least then I could get a proper night's sleep.
Can't this wait until tomorrow?
I should become a private contractor. At least
Ah,
then I'd be paid well to do menial work.
I didn't stay this late to hang out with the cleaning staff.
Ok. A cobertura foi comprometida. Puta que pariu. Ai, caralho. Vou chamar a atenção.
Ah, shit.
Vamos lá, vamos lá.
There you go.
There we go.
There's nothing to mop in here.
For all the money spent on domestic intelligence, we haven't even developed usable indexing software.
Yeah, this isn't the right time.
The only way I'll be killed in the line of duty is if I'm buried in paperwork.
Ah, tem que esfregar.
Crap.
Ah, parte de esfregão. Fingir que eu tô limpando, né? Mas tem até japonês aqui.
Sturdy.
Hey, wait till I shake it off before you mop the floor.
Tô limpando, senhor. Isso.
Another janitor? Was the last one a heart attack or a budget cut? What are you gonna get out of here when I log my OT for the week? Yeah, it's not about being effective, it's about seeming to be effective.
Vou
We're
ficar
just
brincando
vectors
nesse.
on a graph, man. Yeah, limiting civilian freedom is a great substitute to actually doing anything. Long may it continue. I gotta get back to it. Sure.
Vamos lá, vamos lá. Vamos lá, galera.
Hey, don't work so hard.
Building's closing any second.
O prédio vai fechar qualquer segundo e nós vai começar a invadir. Pode
Hey,
vir,
charge
Frank.
is set. I'm out of the building.
Hey, dog, we right around the corner. We got your gear in here with us. Shit's in motion, people. We raiding the bureau. Y'all ready for this? In and out, Holmes. Let's do it.
Detonate the incendiaries, Frank. I'll get this turnout gear on.
Detonar os explosivos. Começou a festa! Uou! Uou! Aí sim, hein?
Whoa! All right. We're first response. Let's go. So Lester hijacked the emergency signal, right? Yep. We'll be the only idiots running into that burning mess. So don't worry.
Vamos lá, vamos lá, vamos lá.
Pull up over here. In the building. Come on.
Oh, os bombeiros chegaram, os bombeiros chegaram.
Don't worry, fire department here.
Oh, a invasão dos bombeiros no FIB.
This way, come on. Come on, elevator. Come on, let's go. All right, Lester says these elevators should still be fine. Was he on that industrial strep painkillers or that hallucinatory weed at the time? Yeah, probably a little bit of both. Cool, dog. Thanks for clearing that shit up. All right, we're going across to the far stairwell and up to the top floor. We gotta go across. Take the stairs to the top floor. What's the holdup?
Onde de gás ainda tem?
You want to
Opa!
roast? Let's go! these up 6 stories. Let's go, my boy.
A sala do servidor tá ali. Ah, legal.
Further. Let's punch it. Move it, man. What's the holdup? The door's locked. F, I need you to fit a bomb and open it up. We live, stand back. Removable drive in the server stack on the far wall.
Legal. Fácil. Esse HD.
I got the drive, let's go. We ain't got long. Follow me. I don't like that. All right, people.
Vamos, gente. Oh, tá desmoronando. Cuidado.
Structural integrity. Fuck. This way. Hey, come on. Here we are.
Vai estar indo pelos ares.
Door's stuck. I gotta bust it down. Okay, ready up. Let's go. Ah! Hey, see if McReary's okay. Hey, get up, bro. Everyone, we're moving. Hell ain't any hotter than this, so you better get ready. Hustle, homie.
Nossa, cara. Pelo menos tá pegando fogo, bicho.
Hey, it's coming down. Damn, it's falling apart. On me, on me.
Nossa, cara! Explodiu.
Ah, man, kinda. That explosion must have knocked me out, man. All right, listen. We're down a floor from you, but look out. There's a team of agents coming your way. They know we ain't firing.
Hey, drop your weapon!
What's this screwing me for? The office was meant to be empty.
A história TV está vazia.
Can't you see the building's burning?
Tem seguranças aqui ainda?
Just get out of here! You fools should be at home! What's this screwing me for?
kill you! The office was meant to be empty! Can't you see the building's burning? Just get out of here! You fools should be at home! What you screwing with me for?
Nossa, ainda nem que tem a máscara respiradora.
The office was meant to be empty. Can't you see the building's burning? Just get out of here. You fools should be at home. What you screwing with me for? Drop the weapon now! Shit! Don't mess with me! The office was meant to be empty! Can't you see the building's burning? Just get out of here! You fools should be at home! End of the road! What you screwing with me for? Stay done, man. I'm coming to find you. Awesome job! Hurry up! 50th floor, man. Almost with you.
Tô chegando, Michael. Qual andar? 50º. Vou cair fora daqui.
It's Frank. All right, kid. Hey, we're going over this. Follow me. Plans show an elevator shaft this way. We can rappel to the bottom.
Fechamos o 49º andar. Nossa, cara, essa missão é da hora.
Franklin, let's go! Fuck. Alright, this is our way out. We gotta get these doors open. What's up? Hey, give me a hand. Briggs, come on. I see it street level. I fucking hope so.
Vou descer de carro pelo elevador.
We're on the express train! Debris in the shaft! Watch out! True shit, it missed us! Incoming! We're getting out of here!
Isso pega, hein?
Something's falling! Look out! That was close, dog. Now let's go. Here's some more. Let's keep moving, dog. Debris in the shafts. Watch out. Keep going. Be cool. Terra firma. Hey, let's get the fuck out this building.
Pega o margueiro com as bombas.
Hey, get in the truck! There was nothing we could do in there. The rest of the LSFC will be here soon.
Nossa, tá chovendo aí.
Let's go where we stashed the car. Come on.
we get there. At some point soon, an APB will go out for firemen. We cannot be playing dress up when that happens.
We need to get to the ride and torch this fire truck as soon as possible.
I'm working on it.
Yeah, because if they connect the dots, man, I don't know.
Man, I'm working on it.
Any minute, they'll be looking for us. I mean, those guys in the building you took down. If they
Calma aí, Michael.
knew, who else is gonna know?
It ain't worth thinking about, dog. Trust me. I'm gonna get us there as fast as I can.
All right, shit. I just don't want to run into something.
Man, y'all don't want to run into Trevor, bro. That's who you don't want to run into.
Haha, you're right. So, take us to our get out, avoiding the cops, the feds, and my dear friend Trevor Phillips.
All right, man, I'll try.
Try real hard, okay? They gotta be looking for us.
We gonna be cool, okay?
Tá chovendo, cara.
I'm getting nervous, Frank.
They ain't on us yet.
How far to the getaway car?
We should have stashed it closer.
Packie McReary. Essa porra não vai pegar, não?
I feel a whole lot better. Take us to Lester's.
Leva a gente pro Lester.
Well, now that we're in the clear, I can probably tell you people, I didn't think we were gonna make it out of there.
But you planned the thing, right?
Yeah, I chose the best of two impossible options. We had to sell them that we were firemen to start with. That's a pretty crazy task. And that's just to get the opportunity to have a high-rise fall down on us?
Yeah, well, thank you kindly for being so upfront with us on how dangerous this motherfucker was.
We made it, didn't we? Whole crew's intact.
We're all professionals, know what I'm saying? Scores are easy when you ain't got to depend on no wannabes.
We're charmed, boys. We're charmed or we're really good at this shit.
Charmed? Yeah.
E aí, Packie McReary, eu lembro de você e o Nico Belli, como tá? É isso aí, Packie McReary.
Clinton, Gustavo Mota, and Patrick McReary. When people are talking about the time guys went into the bureau and wiped their files, man, those will be the names, the rumors. This one will go down in the ages.
Yeah, man, I'm just glad this shit is over. I don't want to do nothing else for them fools no more.
Nor do I, bro. I gotta swing that.
Hey, you gotta swing something with Trevor, too. You should reach out, homie.
I'll think about it. I'm kinda enjoying my break from him.
Don't think about it too long. He might decide to act. That's all I'm saying, man.
É, tô falando aqui que quer conversar com o Trevor, Marco.
Hey, hey!
Hey, this Lester crib, ain't it?
Keep your heads down, you hear?
Ah, chegaram. Packie McReary 2 Mota.
Well,
what?
Bom.
I never thought I'd see you clowns again. We did it!
Conseguimos!
How was it?
For a suicidally dangerous mission impersonating emergency services while working a high-security government facility,
de alta
it was
segurança.
surprisingly uplifting. Come here, give me some of that.
Dá um abraço aqui.
Sorry, I forgot.
You forgot my very, very obvious illness?
It happens.
Whatever. Hey, let's get drunk. Franklin,
Hey, vamos
fill up the
enxergar.
glasses. Got some real vintage moonshine, hillbilly
O
type
Frank
shit.
vai
We're
beber.
gonna be seeing triple and committing incest in minutes.
Just the shit to make a man forget his trouble.
Oh, exactly. I am just gonna get
Exato,
drunk
exactly.
as a skunk, and then I'm gonna reverse engineer a webcam and spy on those sorority girls again. I'm ill, okay? Give me a break! Cheers!
Deu certo, haha.
Man, that's some foul-ass shit. All right, boys, I hate to break up the ritual, but I gotta go square things up with Davey and Dickwad.
Com Davey e o Zé Pucino.
Hey, I just want them to know that now that we did this thing for them, and we have the evidence that we did this thing
É,
for them,
acertar as
we can all go
contas,
our
né?
own separate ways, you know?
Well, fuck it. You want me to go with you, dog?
No, stay. Have fun. I gotta do this alone.
Right now.
Pra gente fazer isso
Sooner the
sozinho.
better.
It's one way to look at it, huh?
Right. Besides, I want to put this shit to bed.
Além do mais,
Then I can figure out Trevor, you know?
vai decidir o que
Get my
fazer com o
life
Trevor,
back.
entende?
Go back to being bored,
Botar esse
miserable,
kit esse ano tempo
and loving every motherfucking minute of it. Here,
Ah,
enjoy
lidar
the
com o Trevor,
incest
né?
juice.
Man, you boys sure know how to put the fun back in midlife crisis.
Isso aí, a invasão FIB. O Michael não ganhou nenhuma grana com isso.
We hit the bureau for you, Dave. I'm done.
Yes, I saw that. Meet me at the court center and I'll debrief you.
I'm out, Davey. From now on, done.
I appreciate that. I'm trying my best for you, but you and Trevor attacking Merriweather
Oh, bombeiro ainda.
repeatedly, it doesn't help.
A merda é pra você.
Whoever's thing it is, it's unauthorized and it's dumb. They've been sniffing around my office. We
A
really
minha
need to
do
talk.
weather.
Really? All right, all right. I'll come to the court center. Fuck.
Fuck, no court center.
shook me up. I totally freaked.
Vamos ver como o Trevor está. Bom, galera, eu acho que eu vou me desligando por aqui. Acho que já tá bom de GTA V. A gente vai continuar na próxima parte, beleza? Esperar aqui chegar com o Trevor. Nossa, ele tá louco, Trevor. Bom, galera, deixa eu salvar aqui. Corpo de bombeiros, coisamos. A missão 70% de jogo completa já. Bom, galera, vou nessa. Obrigado por vocês terem acompanhado aqui. Não se esqueçam, deixa o like. Não vai custar nada. Participe da comunidade do Discord. A gente se vê na próxima parte de GTA V. Fizemos um progresso considerável no nosso trabalho. Fizemos aí fazendo live aí. Na próxima parte, a gente vai fazer a gente vai fazer a missão lá das contas com o Darnell Bros e o Michael. E é isso aí, galera. Obrigado por vocês terem acompanhado.